COB LED Grow Light with the optimal full spectrum, 380 to 800 nanometers, which provides plants, veg and flower, all stages with everything they desire in the natural sunlight. Especially red, 630 to 660 nanometers, promote flowering and fruiting and increase yield directly. Blue, 440 to 460 nanometers, promote germination and photosynthesis. IR 780 to 800 nanometers, promoting plant cell growth. UV 380 nanometers, sterilization and disinfection. 12 months warranty and 30-day money back. Specialized in LED grow light more than 10 years with advanced R&D and sales department. We dedicated to provide customers with better products, lifetime consulting services and professional planting experiences. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We will provide you best service. Features: more safe, luminous and handy, COB LED Grow Light has passed CE, FCC and ROSE certification. IP67 waterproof, safe, suitable for indoor, outdoor working, even raining. Perfect for potted plants, gardens, sowing, breeding, farms, greenhouse farming, flower farming, making a safety greenhouse for you, environmental protection, no pollution or harmful substances. Throw away other electricity grow light now, the high actual working power, 200 plus minus 5% watts, 600 watts HPS MH replacement, while consuming only 165 watts with COB LED Grow Light, but maximize the use of light energy by COB technology. Our experiments prove that COB LED Grow Light can increase the plant's yield 45% to 63%, but saving 40% energy consumption. Long time lifetime could be used over 50%. Ours designed with inside heat dissipation IC and integral radiating case with heat dissipation coating ensure the working temperature no more than 140 degrees without fan and driver working, making the LED plant grow light ultra thin and ultra light without any noise, suitable for indoor quiet environment. Specifications: